So my whole life, I never even knew what this thing was. And, you know, I walked past it like in your grandpa's garage or in Home Depot or Lowe's, and you just tell me what it is. But this edger is awesome. You don't need an electric edger, gas-powered edger. For a small lawn like this, I mean, it's perfect. It just goes in a little rack where my shovels and hose and everything are, and it doesn't take up much space. You know, I might get an actual edger eventually, but you know, this little edger is amazing. I think I picked it up on Amazon for like 20-30 bucks. I think you can get it at Home Depot. Craftsman makes one, I think, too, but it's just got these little scissor teeth that roll along this wheel. You can use it left-handed, right-handed. But yeah, it's made by AMES. Really cool tool. It's really awesome. It's got like scissor teeth. Sometimes the teeth get clogged up, but you can see how it works. Just gets the weeds in between here and cuts them like a scissor. So pretty cool.